Hi everyone! Ito nga pala yung last day namin dito sa Palawan and we decided to visit Underground River sa Puerto Princesa. 2 oras nga po pala ang biyahe from Puerto Princesa City to Sabang Port. Ang Underground River nga po pala ay located sa town ng Sabang. So sa Sabang Port po, sasakay kami ng bangka papuntang Underground River. First stop nga po pala ay yung tour guide namin ay binigyan kami ng 15 minutes na oras para pumunta sa CR, bumili ng kahit ano dito kasi maraming souvenir shop dito, bumili ng pagkain at makita yung magandang tanawin dito. So shiny though.
Sino po may birthday? So, magandang araw! Mabuhay! Good morning, everyone!
Good morning.
I'm Jinky. I will be your community guide and Chris. Hi, Kuya. First of all, we would like to welcome you here in Puerto Princesa sa Tungan River National Park. Especially here in Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour. You are welcome,
Ito nga po
everyone!
pala yung second at huling stop namin. Dito kami nga po pala ay pinapili ng aming tour guide ng mga activities na gusto naming gawin habang naghihintay ng oras. Meron po silang activities na zipline at mangrove paddle boat tour. Yung amin pong kinuha is yung paddle boat tour kasi hindi pa po namin ito nagagawa. Yung zipline kasi nagawa na namin. Ito po ay choice lamang kung gusto nyo pong gawin. Kasi nga po, sa may limit sila ng ilan lang ang pwedeng pumunta sa Underground River. So, habang kami ay nag-aantay ng oras, ay ito po ang aming ginagawa.
Pollination happening to them. We call it only male and female mangrove so that you can easily to distinguish. So, both male and female mangrove, they bear fruit, but all the fruit of the mangrove is not edible for human, just for the wildlife animals, like monkey. Because sometimes we have monkey in this area. Bayawak ito?
Kanina po mayroon dyan.
No, here. There.
The baby monitor lizard.
There.
The monster.
Come close there.
The old unique mangrove trees, we shall ride and bangka in a wonderful one with the group of my friends and to my dearest one. We multiply mangrove trees, all of us we shall plant nursery of fishes, marine seafoods are the best. Please don't cut and burning. We must love and cherish shellfish, crab and fishes. Comes to this unique place.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna sacrifice in love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will.